It's a 2015 Lexus ES350. Enjoy the exceptional, world-class luxury of this stunning sedan, filled with refined craftsmanship found in every single detail. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. The Car Connection reports, thanks to a quicker steering ratio and retuned suspension, the ES models feel slightly sportier from behind the wheel without sacrificing passenger comfort. It's still just as plush and quiet as ever. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.